The tension force interactive calculator solves tension forces in cables, ropes, and support systems under various loading conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu, which offers 6 options. Vertical load, single support, angled cable with known angle, 2 angled cables, simple pulley system, mass with vertical acceleration, and object on inclined plane. For this demonstration, I'm using vertical load, single support. Enter your mass in kilograms, gravity in meters per second squared, which defaults to 9.81. Angle from horizontal in degrees, cable 1, angle in degrees, cable 2, angle in degrees, acceleration in meters per second squared, incline angle in degrees, and friction coefficient, which defaults to 0 for frictionless conditions. For our example, I've entered 10 kilograms for mass and kept gravity at 9.81. After clicking Calculate, the results show a tension force of 98.10 newtons, which equals 10 kilogram force. The weight calculation confirms this at 98.10 newtons, derived from our 10 kilogram mass multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared. These values represent the tension required to support the load in a vertical configuration. This calculator streamlines tension analysis for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.